What's up, y'all? We got a package from Advanblack. This is the Holeshot gas tank for the Street Bob. We ordered this like, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 weeks ago, and it just came in today. So it takes a bit of time to get. It's color matched. And we got those like rubber knee pad things. So let's get into it. Let's open this thing. Okay, so these are the knee pads. 3M tape, Advanblack logo on it. They feel nice. Now the main thing comes in this nice little bag here. That's cool. Protect it. Now this is like a 4.75 gallon capacity. The one that comes on it is just a 3.3, I think. So it's not a lot of gas mileage you're getting out of that small tank. So, you know, this will definitely be an upgrade for that for sure. Now it's not going to have any of the logos on it, of course, but we got something coming for that. I mean, that's pretty damn good. That's color matched perfectly. That's awesome. It's got the Advanblack logo on the bottom there. That's pretty cool. Man, alright, well, let's get to installing it. I gotta take this guy off. Gotta go around to the other side. Take this off first. Alright, so you need a 14 millimeter socket or wrench and a 5/16, I believe, Allen. Yeah, 5/16 Allen. So we're gonna get these off here. Alright, so we need to undo these LED lights because we have an LED underglow kit on here. So we're gonna take these guys out on both sides. We'll rip these wires and take the tank off. So now the tricky part is getting this guy right here out. So we're gonna use a towel or something to prop that up underneath the tank. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna find this plug down here. All right, there we go, got it. So, get that out. I'm gonna, I believe you slide this out. Now, get a towel because he will lose a little bit of fuel, which is fine. Some people will say depressurize it, but you really don't have to. It's not that much. So you're gonna lift this guy up like that. This is gonna come out. Just a tiny bit of fuel. It was like literally nothing. So now we're gonna get this bolt, take that out, and we'll have the tank on. And this tank is full of gas, so we're gonna have to figure out how to siphon this out. Now we have to unscrew these, get this out, put it in there. So that part's a little tricky. We'll show you how to do that. All right, you're gonna need a Torx bit. This is a T25. Let's see, I hope it's not too tight to be able to get it with this drill. Nope. So, use a wrench. And this part right here is a little tricky, but just work it out. It will come out. Don't force it. Just be gentle. Try to feed that filter. There's going to be a yellow filter you're going to see in there. Just try and feed that around the little twists and turns that you see on that part of the gas tank. It takes a little bit, but it will eventually come out. Just don't force it. And don't stick any metal or anything down in there. You don't want to damage anything or, you know, ruin this pump and this part right here. So you can see it just slowly starts to come out. It's kind of like a little game. Like, you really gotta make sure all of those little parts and pieces come out, which they will, just like that. You gotta fish it through. Just be patient with it. Don't try and force it. It will go in and it will go out. And there we go. Just gotta screw it back in and we're good to go. And right now we are plugging all that stuff back in, and we're gonna screw the tank back on. So we have the front part screwed on just so we can have it secure and so we can lift it up and move it around to plug in the sensor and the fuel injection and all that good stuff. All right, you guys, we got the tank on, gas in, it's ready to go. So let me know what you guys think, if that was helpful or not. Teach you guys how to take the tank off and put it back on, whatever. It's looking pretty cool, man. I like it. Started up real nice and we're good to go. Now we're gonna go get some lunch and see you guys later.